Hello traders, this morning we are starting with very important question from one of the visitors in the trading room. Here's a question, very important question from Tom. What is the value of the software? Tom is a future swing trader and prefers hands-on approach. Here's the answer from our students. Here's the answer regarding software. This is what Brad says, value unlimited. Scott shares, trading without it is like walking into gunfight without weapon or body armor. Phenomenal, phenomenal answers. Thank you traders so much. We'll dive deeper into discussions. Software identifies trade setups right in front of your eyes. If you're a long-term swing trader, that's phenomenal. But this is what's been happening. Traders been coming to me who've been saying, I don't have any interest in day trading. The moment they touch software, everything changes, because you start trading markets as you play chess games, such as now. Market oversold, we're at critical Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Everyone seeing this? We discussed with students well in advance that this is crucial, critical moment. We're understanding where sellers came from ultimate top, correct? So what does the intelligent trader understands and knows now? Demanding powerful pullback from oversold market is what intelligent trader wants, because when the price will head drastically higher, this is a place you want to short from. Resistance, not near support. Market oversold. So this is what intelligent trader sees in front of you with software. Instantly bullish pullbacks. We're understanding and respecting this. We're only interested in powerful bullish push, not weakness. Software showing you this is crucial moment, but buyers are weak. Market stuck. We need meaning, not junk. So software spelled out, market stuck. We're at critical area of support, but there is no powerful buyers. It's junk. We're on standby. We are extremely aware this is not the place to short. You're seeing this? Intelligent trader only interested in powerful bullish reversal. Zero interest in short. All the other charts skyrocketing already. We discussed before we came to the trading room. Intelligent trader never ever shorting near Alpha Fibonacci support. Combination with reversal zone, it's black and white. Your only option to look for long. So when the scanner giving you alert, intelligent trader not surprised where this alert coming from. Intelligent trader knew hours in advance this is crucial area of support. Identical formula applies if you're trading Apple weekly, if you're trading gold monthly, if you're trading oil daily or Forex hourly, because that's what traders do all over the world in the last 10 years. You decide what instrument you want to trade and what time frame. Intelligent trader remains unwavered. Intelligent trader understands the power of Alpha Fibonacci system, critical buy and sell zones. So if you know hours, days, weeks, and months in advance where your critical buy and sell zones are, you're not stressing out. You remain firm, you remain unwavered. You are not succumbing to panic and negativity. You are a very strategic, proactive trader. You are conquered your reactive behavior. You conquered your instant gratification. You are absolutely firm and confident. Where to buy, where to sell from. With the power of software, it's a stress-free day and position trading. And that's what Scott just also added, reduces speculation, identifies reality. A very powerful statement. So, in front of you, software spelled out, it's a resistance. In front of you, long-term Alpha Fibonacci level spelled out, it's a problem. We knew this in advance. Dow stuck in bullish weakness. We expected this obstacle well in advance. We identified sell points days in advance. Buy points days in advance. You decide what you want to trade. Nothing else will ever do this. The only difference if you're trading 1 minute chart or if you're trading 5, 15, hourly, daily, weekly. That would make a difference. And that's the power of software traders. No speculation here, all precise to the tick. All in advance, never after the fact. This morning we're dealing with very big institutional conflict. Intelligent trader knows that. Intelligent trader trades with drastically more caution. No bullish power here, only weakness. And that's very powerful reminder of separating spectacular movements versus brutal ones. Buyers are weak, support is present, resistance not letting markets through. The most important rule you learn in the course, in a play in front of you. We knew and expected this. We discussed this well before this happened. Huge institutional conflict in a play. Intelligent day trader, very well prepared. With software, it's a stress-free trading. All you have to do, obey the rules. Trade the power. Do not touch weakness. On the institutional conflict morning, software once again kept you on the right side of the market. So here's the price again, reminding you, do not ever, never, ever, ever short near Alpha Fibonacci support, correct? This is your trading range this morning, traders. We have equal buyers and equal sellers on institutional chart this morning. You do not see that very often. Intelligent trader remains firm, remains unwavered. Key support is present. You never, ever, ever short into. So if you decide to buy this market, I converted the trade to 1 minute chart. We'll discuss it all in the class. So this is critical end of minor trend in front of you, very bright pink line. Everyone seeing this? We discussed with students this morning, when conflict present in the markets with institutions, this bright pink line must be adored. This bright pink line is critical. Only when this bright pink line is out, buyers fully in charge. Boom. Did we know or did we know to remain unwavered, to remain firm at Alpha Fibonacci support? Of course. That's the power of the system. You will never need anything else. If you will choose not to take the profits off the table, not to move the stop outside of break-even, in this area you have a lot to learn. And that's the power of the system in front of you. Identical precision applies to any instrument, any time frame you will decide to trade. So here we go, traders, and that's a stunning reminder of the power of Alpha Fibonacci system, the power of ultimate precision and ultimate stress-free trading. When price remains in such institutional conflict, ultimate precision is critical, it's crucial. Competition is on. Watch out, everyone. Ken is killing it. 64 for 64 trades. Trading SPY, Bitcoin, XLM, NEO. Boom. It's a movie in the making. If you saw a movie, 10-year celebration of Fibonacci Trading Institute, Ken is a movie maker. Breathtaking. Jason, third day in the course, killing it. Goldman Sachs, stunning work. Ken, trading one trade a day only. Up the contracts, not the number of trades. Brett, cheering other traders. So does Scott. Scott competing with Ken. 37 return on ZTO after 55 trading days. What are you seeing that's playing out in front of you on this trade? Did we know or did we know that this will remain critical support? Of course. This was stunning reminder that even during the most extreme market conditions, Alpha Fibonacci system remains with ultimate precision. You never ever short near Alpha Fibonacci support. And that's what intelligent traders do. Flawless. Jennifer killing it on S&P and gold. Despite having newborn, Jennifer's husband brought Jennifer to the course. Brad, legend in the course, inspiring everyone around him. S&P 4 points. 10-year celebration is on. This trader showing you what's possible if you make an effort. An Alpha Fibonacci system in front of you keeps sharing you, keeps showing you the power of precision, the power of obeying the rules, the power of support, the power of reversal zone. Never ever buy into. Exit your long is a brilliant thing to do. It never gets old, I promise. As students showing you daily, all over the world, trading different instruments, trading different accounts. Music to my ears, as Jennifer says, every day is beautiful. Means the world. Thank you, beautiful Jennifer. So amazing to have you back. So good to have you back, Ken. Thank you everyone for your incredible work. So if you are ready to trade as these incredible traders do, if you're ready to join a competition between the students, if you're ready to become proactive trader, if you're ready to enjoy markets, I look forward working with you. Take advantage of the biggest discount ever offered, $2,000 off each package. But before you review the information, listen to podcasts, to our podcast channel with our incredible traders, as you can hear their journeys, their stories, and what traders do. You can see the movie Can Made to celebrate Fibonacci Trading Institute 10-year anniversary. And when you're ready to make a decision, choose the package appropriate for you. You can trade method on any platform, as it's been done for the last 10 years. If you determined to use the software for Ninja 8, it comes with multi-market scanner with trade recognition software. It is absolutely not a requirement, but it is the most powerful and the most popular package. You can also place trades on any platform you choose, but use the software on Ninja 8. All of these packages come with live classes, 3 months group classes, 6 months private mentoring. Includes all group classes, includes video library modules, and guided live trading. And that's community of our incredible traders who care about one another. Remember, you become who you swim with. And this is a group of spectacular traders who are killing it in these markets. As Brad says, game changer, this software. I always let my students answer your questions. Thank you, Alphys. Thank you for your incredible effort, for your incredible work. It's my joy and honor to work with you, to teach and to guide you, to enjoy any market you choose to trade.